Besides, we are showing you a smaller printing size printer, Smart Series. So Smart Series is also really a good printer. If you don't need a printer in really large volume, you can consider of it. This is equipped with advanced optic system too, and its stability efficiency can also support you to finish your printing job efficiently. So now I'm showing you one printing samples printed by Smart-400. This is a bone, so this is for surgical models. Some surgeries they will need this for their before their surgery. And this is our transparent parts. You can see it's really good details and high performance too. And this is a clear pass after post process. So you can do many kind of post process to this pass too.